What is up, guys? Basic Programming here with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you a full run through of my software. And just to show you, I'm not going to give you the code for this. Who knows, I might, but probably not, because it does cost money because it took so many hours for me to make. So here it is. I know I have scrolled through my code, and you can type that in if you want, but if you do that, that is up to you, because that would be hours of work of copying and all that. So as you can see, it's loading up master right now, and then we'll log in. Password's pretty difficult. Okay, so first let's type help. Help gives you a full list of commands that I have on here. So Astra is software designed for average uses and maybe some viruses. Its main company, however, is Implex. While this software looks basic, it can do more than what it looks like. So back will send you back a page, and these first like 6 or 7 are when I was first starting out, some stupid stuff that I made. So I guess we'll go through all of them. So calculator, it'll give me equations. So if I say like 500 whatever, and then I do times 36, it'll give me the real number. It's not just a random number. Next is about. That basically just shows what version, when I made this, September 24th. It's like October 6th now. So I've come a long way. Creates a password. Log in. Let's see if it's admin. Yep. And then it says what the next version needs to be. That's a little behind. And then it also says commands that I don't want other people to know. So like source codes, this gives you all the source codes. Basically it takes you to an HTML page. So moving on. Login. Games. Games is a pretty cool one. As you can see, it clears because I don't want people to see my stuff after I click enter. So if you want to go home in any of these games, type go home. So these are the games you have: Pokemon, Tic-Tac-Toe, Character Maker, Stay Alive, War Simulator, Snake, and Batch Adventures. And there you can see that. Another command is crash. Now, obviously I'm not going to do this while I'm recording, but it says warning: before you proceed, you should know the following. This has never been tested, could cause major damage to the computer. Do your own risk. To get the computer back, do Control Alt and delete, and then just log off. Type caps, or type yes in all caps. I'm gonna type no, probably for the better. There you see. Next one, batch files. Now I'm gonna have to exit out after I type this. You can see it just makes you, I don't know, I just thought it was cool. No, I didn't type all this. You just do like a random, like that's actually the command prompt. You do percent sign, and then you type random, close up the percent sign, and then you just loop it, and this is what it looks like. So let's exit out of that. I'll open it up, and if I hold an X, it'll like slim through that. So I'll log back in here. So even help. And there's a full list of colors. So if I do red, green, pink, purple, blue, aqua, you know, everything. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to help. Don't feel like scrolling that far. IP address. That's my email address. Here you can see all the stuff. Not working all. And then we're pressing Q to continue. Oh god. For some reason it just pinged a website. I don't know why, but let's go to help again. Okay. PC clean. Better than that. you can delete internet cookies, delete temporary internet files, disk cleanup, defragment wise and so on the way. And you can see you can exit, run. I'm gonna exit. You're not recognized. Ooh, what's happening? Oh, maybe I had to type 5. Duh. Okay, let's go back to help. Let's see, IP address, PC clean, test maker. That's not done yet. Ejects your CD tray. It actually works, but that's pointless right now. Shutdown does shut down your computer. Time. Not sure if this is automatic or not. No, it just tells the current time. You can't even see this. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna open it up to here. So there you can see. Website, takes you to any website. Disco. Yeah, speech converter. They all work. I'm just skipping the stupid ones. So you can see a prompt if I say sup YouTube.
Sup YouTube.
I don't know if you heard that, but it did say sup YouTube. So next one, folder. It's more of a virus. It makes 3,000 folders in the directory. Go back. Obviously makes you go back. Clears your workspace. I hope. Yep. Reboots your computer. No, reboots the software. But we already saw that. So restart, hibernate, Python scripts, and then Python scripts. I don't really have. Actually, I do. It's called Banner. I already know what it's called, but if I typed in Python scripts, it would take me to a page. Well, it would just say all the Python scripts, and I only have one that's called Banner. But if I click on this, look at that. Okay, had enough of that. Fortunately, I have to go back in. Oh, you know what? I could have just typed go back. Dummy me. Surely had a command prompt for that. Okay, sorry about that. Python add user as an user computer. I don't want to do that, but it does work. Unblock websites doesn't work, but I'm working on that actually currently. If I open this, there's about a million tabs about how to do it. Shut down someone else's. All you gotta do is type in shutdown -I, and it'll bring up a ton of command prompts. Names, that's something that I was doing in school. We can figure about that. Easter eggs are cool tricks that you can do on the CMD. Did I skip? What did I skip? Okay, I skipped virus. It's basically just use VBS to pop up commands and it'll be like, oh, you broke this or whatever. Open Chrome, opens Google Chrome. That can work for Yahoo and all that other stuff. CMD images. Unfortunately, about a week ago, I deleted every single file I had from version 2. I had to go back to version 1, retype everything. Thank God I printed my source code. And I had to put all the files, or what I had left of them, back on here. And unfortunately, the only one that was lost was CMD images. But it was really cool. It basically uses ASCII art to show like cars and planes and stuff, and you could search up whatever you wanted. I will make that again, but not right now. Conversation, it's like, hey, hello, how's your day, yada yada yada, if you're bored. OpenCMD is the coolest one. If it's blocked in school, this will still open it. And there you go, you can see this is the actual CMD. So, we're going to exit that. There's no way to get back from the real CMD. You can't type go back, so I wasn't being dumb again. Okay, so help. I don't even know these myself when I made them. Okay, loop beep. Sounds a little weird, but basically, if I type in beep, I don't know if you heard that, but the circuit board beeps. Yes, you heard me right. Now, I wonder if I have one just called beep instead of loop beep, because I don't want to open up loop beep. As you can see, it's annoying. It just constantly does that beeping sound. I'll type in beep one more time. There, you can hear it. Okay. Countdown is a countdown clock. Obviously, pretty self-explanatory. So, I'll let it beep at the end. We'll go with A1. Welcome to the timers. I'm doing a second. Type them out. Let's go 5 seconds. And then press any key to start the clock. 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you can see it beep. So, that's pretty cool. And I think that's all the other ones. X exits master. Got the clock. Infect is another fake virus. Theory use all workspace, Easter eggs, CMD commands, and spam bots to find the one I don't want to do, but it's basically a real virus that you type in what you want, you type in how many times you want it to come up, and how many per second, and basically you can put in how many seconds you want till the command starts, and if I click on this to type something in, it'll just start typing whatever you put in there. It'll just keep printing it, printing it, printing it. Like if I went on the internet and the command was running, it would just go and on and on and on, even if this were exited out. But that is pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe. This video is 11 minutes long. Software is pretty big. I'm hoping to get this thing to version 10, but I don't want to rush it there. I want to take my time. And as you can see, there's hardly any bugs. So thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.